Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create this quick and easy office makeup look. So we will start off with applying a primer. Now primer is very good. It makes your makeup last a lot longer. Now I'm going to use a BB cream on my face. It is better to use BB cream on day-to-day basis rather than patting on huge layers of foundation on your face. BB cream has many benefits. It has sunscreen as well, so it's good for your skin. Now I'm going to apply concealer under my eyes and also on a few spots which I would like to conceal on my face. I prefer blending with my fingers because our fingers have some warmth in them and it makes the blending so much more natural looking. Now I'm going to take a compact powder and set my face with it. It is very important in making the makeup last a lot longer and also make your face sweat proof. The last thing that you want is your makeup to melt away in sweat. Now I'm going to line my eyes with a pen eyeliner. An eyeliner makes such a huge difference. It makes you look put together and chic. If you are in a hurry every single morning, prefer using a pen eyeliner because it makes this process so much more easier and cumbersome free. Now I'm applying a little bit of blush on my cheeks. This is my favorite part. Never skip applying a little bit of blush on your cheeks because it gives you a very healthy flush and glow on your face. Now I'm curling my lashes. This makes such a huge difference. Just try it out yourself. Now I'm applying mascara on my eyes. It makes the eyelash curls last a lot longer. And don't forget to apply mascara on your lower lash line as well because it makes your eyes look a lot bigger. Now I'm lining my lips with a lip liner and I'll make sure that I fill my lips completely with this lip liner because it makes the lipstick last a lot longer. Now I'll be using a very neutral looking lip shade on my lips. It is preferable to use nude lip shades rather than bright reds or pinks on the lips because they look a lot more professional in the office. And this is it guys, the office makeup look is complete. It is very simple and easy to create. It can be recreated within 5 minutes. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos.